Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how I make a simple bow. I already had a tutorial about this, but I wanted to update the one that I had just to make it more clear. So I'm going to start with a 17-inch long ribbon and just a pin and another piece just to cover the center. And this will give you about a 5-inch bow. I'm using a 1.5 ribbon, and I'm gonna start by sealing the ends for now so it doesn't fray while I'm doing this. And I'm gonna cross the ribbon this way, and then I'm gonna crunch the middle. I'm just gonna bring everything to the middle this way, and I'm gonna use you can use either thread or yarn or whatever you have in hand to tie it all together. That way it'll stay and it'll keep the shape that you need for the simple bow. This is perfect for either a girl's outfit, or if you just want to use it as a regular hair bow, you can use it as well like that. I'm gonna heat seal the centerpiece. You can use the same ribbon for the center of the bow. I decided to go just with the same color, and I'm gonna cut it and seal it again. At this point you can add a dot of glue right here, or you can sew it if you want it to last longer, or if you're gonna put it in an outfit. And now the next step is just to glue the little pin, whatever pin you're using, and that's it. It is a pretty simple bow. You can finish the hair bow or the bow with cutting the edges. You can either cut diagonal or just cut it this way, and it'll look really nice. I have made tons of these kind of bows. Just don't forget to always heat seal your ends, that way they won't fray while you're using them. And ta-da! Perfect little bow every single time. This is the easiest method I know, and it works wonderful. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye guys.